Christopher.
There we are.
Hey. Thank you.
Put it in myself.
Oh, no.
No. Ow. Right in the face with it.
Now you have sound.
Yes, now I have sound.
She was taking little movies, but she had no sound. That'll be nice, because all the giggles she gets and everything. Show it to Mommy. Mommy, look! Yay! Oops!
Got a man down.
Gotta get it, gotta get it.
Yeah. Put it on film for Dr. Mall that he is talking. Thank you.
Got him a holder for it.
He doesn't. I think he's tapping me.
Get up. Green. The green one. Yeah. Okay.
Let them all.
Gotta catch them all. That's not gonna fit through the bars.
Nope.
Oh boy, is this still bubbles in it?
No, well,
Yeah.
no.
Okay, it's just coming in here.
It might help the cause, you know.
Might help with what?
It might help the cause, you never know. This is trash, isn't it? This is
Let's see instructions.
the, yeah, that I should have read.
You don't have to keep filming everything, right?
I don't know.
Little short.